Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I just wanted to do a quick take showing my final organization of my blends on my desk. I did end up using the white, and then I put labels on both sides, trying really hard to keep them all facing up the same way. Of course, I'm going to put the caps on and off, so whether that ends up being the case over time, I don't know. And so, this is it. I've got all 50 colors, and I was able to put my grays and blue sky Copics, which are the two light colors that I use the most, and the color tones that I use are the Ns, which matches closely with Smoky Slate, and then the Cools are the ones I use more. There are 3 different tones of grays with the Copics, and I use 2 of the 3 of them. And then I do have, of all the crazy things, 1 slot free right here, and for now I just have the color lifter, which is the white cap, so that is the one that pushes the color around for you if you get something too dark or if you go over the line. So I have an empty space here for something that I may or may not ever fill with anything. And then this third one over here does need a top. And again, on the top, I'm using, for dimensionals, some tear and tape. And then I do have, like, these basic colors that sit out all the time, as I use them most. And then the rest of the 50 colors of spots are in cases right next to me. So if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions... Oh, I had one more thing. The colors that are so close together, which would be the Cajun Craze and Calypso Coral. So I put mini O's next to Coral, Calypso Coral, and then CR, a little R, and that doesn't even look like an R, but I'll know that that's what it is for those two. And I don't think I had to do any other letters next to ones that were so close to the same that it was hard to tell. So I think it's looking good, and I'm very satisfied with this project, so I can now move on to another one. Again, leave your comments, questions, or suggestions here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.